Now, I'll teach you how to unbox a box. In a box. I bought a gimbal for GoPro. So, let's see what's the quality. It just came today.
For GoPro yan, babe?
Yeah.
Akala ko sa camera mo.
Mahal yung sa...
Eh, di ba yun yung gusto mo?
Mahal yun.
Ano ba yun?
See?
Wow!
There's a balloon! Balloon lang po. Because it's so hot.
Pabutas sa kilikili.
Because it's so hot, I'll put it like this. Here go the G5 3-axis handle gimbal.
Wow.
It's compatible with GoPro 5, GoPro 4,
Pwede rin yun sa akin.
Hero 3, Hero 3 Plus, Hero Gcam 4K IE.
Wow!
Now the box is going at the back.
Do you have your GoPro with you, babe?
Of course, I brought my GoPro so I can try it.
Nakakailis.
Remove the plastic. Sarap. And I think you just need to slide this. Oh,
Yeah.
see? Ooh, what's the inside? Here you go. Wow, what is this? What is this? Wow. Oh, a gloves! I got a gloves. What a beautiful gloves. I'm like Michael Jackson.
Bakit may gloves?
So when you take a bath, you can use it like so the libag is removed. See? I just need a soap and I'm ready to take a bath. Wait.
Bakit may gloves?
This one you use it for your face when you are oily.
Ew, babe, don't. That's dirty. Ba't mo nilagay dito?
I'm like Michael Jackson.
Tapos mamaya dumating dyan si mama mo.
Okay, let's proceed. Okay, let's proceed to the unboxing session.
Uy, hello.
Uy!
Hello.
You see that? Hello! Hello! Why are you looking at me? What is this? Oh, it's the manual. It's the manufacturer manual.
May warranty.
I don't know.
I think, yeah, that's
Oh
warranty.
yeah, this one is
warranty card.
I
Pati
need,
yun, babe. So you have to keep
I
that.
need to keep that one so if something happened to my
Warranty
gimbal,
card.
I can bring
Yeah.
it or send
Return it.
it back to them. Actually, I don't need this because I'm lazy to read it. So I'm gonna put it back to the card. So hard to put it back. And what is this? What is this? I think this one is the battery.
Ba't kailangan ng battery?
Of course, it needs batteries.
Akala ko ba yung stick lang siya?
No, it's not a simple stick. It's a digital stick.
Okay.
And you see, can you see the bag is so small
Wow,
and
ganda ng bag.
so smooth. See that? So
Oh
smooth.
yeah, it's so smooth.
Yeah. And you can attach it to your backpack or to your
Oo nga, no.
Backpack.
It's like a racket. Tennis racket.
yeah. It's like
Yeah.
so yeah. This is the actual gimbal, and yeah, this is so good.
Ooh.
I think you need to put the battery first.
Try it.
Like this.
So you're gonna... Oh my gosh. Nakakailis.
Fingerprints.
Ew. Don't use your teeth, babe.
Smell like poisonous. Too much boxes, you know. I need to
gosh,
clean
so makalat.
later. Put the battery. Ah, so
Wow.
smooth. Ah, so smooth, so smooth. So smooth. Screw this. Actually, I don't know how to use this. I just saw it in YouTube and I bought it. I don't know. It's good.
Oh
Oh,
my
now
gosh.
I need the GoPro. Wait a second. Give me a second. So dirty. So yeah, let's continue what I'm saying. You use your gloves to clean your GoPro because it's so dirty and it's so fingerprints.
No, use that
Oh yeah,
that
the oily
thing.
thing. Where's the
that's
oily
for
thing?
screen, babe. Nilagay mo siya dito. Oh.
Okay, so now attach the GoPro. Wait. Oh, this one is the extra. The bakal
For what?
for here.
Okay.
I'm so pissed of this thing. So hard to remove.
Piece of this.
Wait, I think it's don't fit. This is suck.
this is this is Zac Efron
There you go.
on.
Ah!
Ganyan siya.
See? So smooth. You see that? So smooth. You see the video quality? So smooth. So that's my review and unboxing to this gimbal. It's so very good, you know. It's so little and it's compatible for Hero 5 and any GoPros you have there. And thanks for watching. See you on the next vlog. Subscribe please. Thank you. Tama na!